Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza in a microwave. Making pizza in a microwave is a fantastic way to enjoy a quick, hot meal without turning on your oven. It's perfect for a speedy lunch or a late-night snack. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to achieving that perfectly melted cheese, all in just a few minutes. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, homemade pizza with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Now, let's assemble your pizza. Start by placing your crust on a microwave-safe plate. Next, spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce, leaving a small border around the edge. Then, generously sprinkle about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Finally, add your chosen toppings, making sure not to overload the pizza, as this can affect cooking. Cooking your pizza in the microwave is surprisingly simple. Place your assembled pizza directly into the microwave. Cook it on high power for about 1 to 2 minutes. The exact time will depend on your microwave's wattage and the thickness of your pizza. You're looking for the cheese to be fully melted and bubbly. If it needs more time, continue microwaving in short, 30-second bursts until it reaches perfection. Once your pizza is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the microwave. It will be hot, so use oven mitts or a towel. Allow it to cool for about 1 minute before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. You can then cut it into 4 or 6 slices, depending on your preference. For an extra touch, sprinkle with fresh basil or a pinch of red pepper flakes. Enjoy your quick and delicious microwave pizza.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.